In this video, I will show you the practical applications of a three-way switch and four-way switch in your house. By properly combining these two switches, you can able to control one single lamp from multiple locations. This is the typical lighting setup in your home. This is consisted of a circuit breaker and a toggle switch. One wire, which is the neutral, is connected from the power source or distribution panel to the light, and the other wire, which is the line, is connected from the power source to the switch and going to the light. What if you turn on your light and for some reason you went to your room and you want to turn your light off? The only way to turn it off is by going back to the switch, turn it off, and walk back to your bed without the light turned on. This problem can be easily solved by using what they call a three-way switch. A three-way switch is one that allows you to control a ceiling light or other electrical fixture from two separate locations. Common scenarios would be three-way switches located at both the top and bottom of a stairway, or having three-way switches next to doors in a room with two entry points. And this is how to do the wiring of a three-way switch. By installing now these switches, you can control your light from your room and from your living room, and vice versa. What if you have a second room and you also want to control your light from that room? In this case, you will be needing another switch, which is called a four-way switch. Four-way switches are used to control lighting from three or more locations. Four-way switches are used in combination with three-way switches. The neutral wire from the power source will be connected to the light. The line cable is connected from the power source to the first three-way switch. Two wires are connected from the first switch going to the four-way switch. Another two cables from the four-way switch going to the second three-way switch. With this kind of wiring setup, you can now control your light from three multiple locations. But what if you want to control your light from four locations, or as many as you like? You can always add a four-way switches in the middle of your wiring diagram, and two three-way switch on both ends of the loop. Follow this wiring connection using combination of three-way and four-way switch. Feel free to pause the video.